Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tally on your laptop. First, locate the Tally application icon, which often appears on your desktop or within your Start menu programs. Once found, simply double-click this icon to begin the launch sequence. The software typically takes a few moments, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, to load completely, presenting you with the initial gateway of Tally. After Tally loads, you will see the Gateway of Tally screen, which serves as your central hub for all accounting activities. This interface is primarily keyboard-driven. You can easily navigate through the various menu options using your up and down arrow keys. To make a selection, simply highlight your desired option and then press the Enter key. This intuitive method allows for quick and efficient access to all features. From the Gateway of Tally, your next step is usually to either open an existing company or create a new one. If you have a company file already, select Select Company and browse to its location. For a new business, choose Create Company. You will then be prompted to enter crucial information such as the company's name, mailing address, and the financial year start and end dates, typically a 12-month period. Once your company is open or newly created, you are ready for initial setup. A crucial first step is to create your ledgers, which are the backbone of your accounting system, including cash, bank accounts, and customer or supplier accounts. Next, define your inventory items and their units, such as pieces or kilograms. Finally, you can begin recording your daily transactions using the appropriate voucher entry types, ensuring accurate financial tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.